true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you a little bit of label action. Let's let it focus if it feels like. There we go. Got a good read of that, guys. This one reads the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Court Purple, Black, and White, aka the Jordan, or the Nike SB Court Purple. I'm sorry, I said Jordan. I'm just used to saying Jordan for Court Purple. Materials on this shoe seem to be pretty decent. Let me get this light out. Toe box comes kind of wrinkled, but I guess that's okay for dunk. Dunks kind of get wrinkly after a while. Materials on this shoe are pretty good. I see a couple of glue stains that Nike left on mine. I thought I cleaned them off, but I guess that's just the shoe. Like I said, leather seems pretty good quality on this shoe. Can't see why you wouldn't want to get it. Check out the bottom of this bad boy. Get this light on. See the court purple bottom. With the little indentation. Make sure you guys see that. That's what makes it a SB. You guys get to see how that wrinkly toe I was telling you about. It comes a little bit wrinkled and creased already. You know, overall, not a bad shoe. Like I said, material seems to be good quality leather. You get an extra pair of white laces. Black comes in the shoe. I don't know if you guys could make this out, but this tongue is extra thick. Super padded skateboard tongue. Get onto the side of the shoe. Got a court purple with the black Nike swoosh breakup. More black on the toe box. Into the mud guard. Black Nike back. Little court purple to the white. As I look at the shoe, there's stuff all over this shoe. Try to keep them clean. How can you keep them clean? You just take them out the box and they bad. I hope you guys can make that out, but there's just a little mark on the back of the shoe, nothing major. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Got some dust on the bottom of my shoe somehow. I don't know. I just took it out the box. But overall, in my opinion, it's a pretty good shoe, guys. Let me know what you think about these Nike SB Court Purples. One of the sought after shoes of the year. Let me give it a look what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your feet. Let me know what shoes you guys will buy. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.